Hey guys, Mike from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Recently, I had a chance to tour the farm of Bob and Debra Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. It was an awesome experience. Check it out. Bob, the watermelon's looking awfully good today.
Oh, probably about the 20th of July. Last of July, they'll be ready. They gain a pound a day. That watermelon down there grows a pound a day.
Tell me about that okra.
The okra, it's hard to say about that. It's come so fast, you can't keep up with it. Them crimson sweets, like I said, they gain a pound a day, like it's said right there. They gain a pound.
1 pound a day with the water on that watermelon.
My daddy's words.
What an awesome time I had at the farm of Bob and Debra Ford in Kansas City, Kansas. And thank you again for having me out, and look forward to working with you and your farm this year in 2023. All right, guys, I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I'll see you in the next video.